What's going on, guys? It's Angel from Discount Vape Pen. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Tick by Airistech. We're going to go up close and show you what comes in the box. Alright guys, up close now, we're going to show you what comes in the box. Right up top, you're going to have the Tick itself. Pop this guy out for you. So as you can see, it's going to be a very discreet little unit. You can see here your little charge port. Got your window on the side. And then this is going to be opening up, and then your cartridge is going to slide right in there. This is a magnetic unit. Got your button up here. This is also a VV unit, so turn it on. See, it's on red there. And if you do the 3 clicks, it's gonna be a little hard to see, but now it's on green. 3 more clicks, we'll throw it on blue. So VV unit, you can adjust it per cartridge. Really nice. This little door is going to keep the top of the cartridge safe, and one nice contained unit. And here you're going to have 2 magnets. You're going to have the standard little one that comes with most of the magnetic vaporizers, and then you're going to have this nice big one. I like that they include that. It's going to be a lot harder to lose, which is nice. And you get 2, which is pretty cool. And just your basic USB charging port. And also you're going to have your empty cartridge. This is something that we include. It's a little bit better of a cartridge than you usually see in the units. Really nice cartridge. And the one thing I do want to mention about this device, being that this has this cap, if you do use a bigger cartridge, this is a 0.5, if you use like a 1.0, it's gonna be a little too big. You wouldn't be able to close the door, which would pretty much be useless, because the point of this is to contain and protect everything. So if you are looking to use this with some of the bigger cartridges on the market, it's probably not going to work unless you were to leave this door open. It'll still fire it, it'll probably still fit, it just, this won't close and the door will be useless. So just keep that in mind. But overall, just a really nice, slim, all contained unit. I like the fact that everything closes up. You know, you could just throw that in your pocket, nothing's going to poke you or anything like that. Really nice. And of course, you can expect the usual quality from Airistech. Really nice unit. And that's our first look at the Airistech Tick. Alright guys, so that was our first look at the Tick by Airistech. As you can see, it's going to be another very nice cartridge system. It's going to come with everything you need to use it, including the cartridge. And it's going to function really nice. It's got that cap that I showed you that's going to keep your mouthpiece protected, and it's going to function just like anything else. Guys, if you like what you saw in the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If you're interested in a Tick, they're available for purchase at discountvapepen.com.